Hi there. Meet Jason. Jason was tired of paying massive energy bills and being afraid that his power would go out every time a storm rolled into town. He was looking for a better alternative. After doing his research, Jason contacted the professional team at Texas Direct Solar. He was surprised to see their wide range of home solar and battery storage solutions. And by going with Texas Direct Solar, he avoided paying the commissions that some other companies tried to charge him. He also liked that the federal tax credit was raised to 30%. After learning about his requirements, the experts at Texas Direct gave him the best solution to meet his electricity and budget needs. They also helped Jason finance his system for $0 upfront cost, leaving Jason with fixed monthly payments and control over his monthly bills. Jason immediately placed the order. The experienced and well-trained staff from Texas Direct Solar installed his system, and today, Jason and his family enjoy clean and affordable solar-powered electricity at their home. They even got some batteries to keep the lights on. Finally, Jason can sleep comfortably. It is now your turn to add the power of solar to your home. For a free, no-obligation consultation to see if solar is right for you, just click the link below or call 832-905-8974 to speak to a Texas Direct Solar expert.